Hello everyone, I hope you're doing well. In this lesson, I'm going to teach you guys how to make rock, paper, scissors in Java. So basically, we'll be making rock, paper, scissors, and whoever, like the AI or you, whoever gets the free first will win the game. So let's get started. So first, what we'll do here is delete this, and we will do import, and then we'll type java.util dot, and then we'll put this, and we'll put this here. Okay, then here we'll just move this to the I as always, and let's start the code. So we'll do string, and then we'll put the box brackets. Hold on, let me find out. Okay, here they are. String RPS equals rock, paper, scissors. Okay, and let me just add these here. Okay, we'll put this, and we'll put this here. Okay, so what's next? So what we will do here is we'll do scanner RC, I mean not RC, SC, sorry, equals new scanner. Then we'll do system.in. Okay, then we'll not forget to put this here. Oops. Okay, then we'll do int user score equals 0, CPU score equals 0. Okay, then let's move to here. Let's skip this line, and we'll do while user score, and then after that we'll do is less than 3. Then we'll do and hold on, let me find the and symbol on my keyboard. Okay, and CPU score is less than 3, and then we'll go down here. Now we'll do system.out.print, and then after that we'll do delete this, type rock, paper, or scissors. Okay, now let's move on down and type string user, and fix this here. Okay, string user equals sc.next, and then we'll put this here, and then after that we'll type dot to lower case. Okay, let me just fix this here. All right, now we'll type next string CPU equals RPS, and then we'll type new random, And then we'll do this, and then type dot next line. Actually, not x line, sorry, I meant next int. Then we'll put this here and type 3. Okay? Then we'll put this semicolon here. And then at the end, we'll do system dot out dot print ln. Then we'll do CPU chose, and then we'll put a space here. Then we'll do plus CPU. Then a semicolon to end it off. Okay, now let's go to line 16 and type if user dot equals CPU. Then we'll do system dot out dot print ln raw. And then we'll put a semicolon at the end again. Okay? Now we'll do else if user dot equals rock, and then we'll do and now we'll type CPU dot equals scissors, and let me just include this again. Wait, actually, let me just delete this. Alright, and then after that, we'll put this here. We'll put these two lines here. Wait, let me find them again on my keyboard. Okay, we'll put this here. And we'll move on to the next line. And then here, we will type, oh, wait, let me put wait, yeah, okay, so let's move this down. And then we'll type user dot equals paper. Okay, and then we'll do and wait, let me find and again. Okay, and CPU dot equals rock, and then after that we'll put these here, and then we'll once again type user equals user dot equals, and then we'll do scissors, and CPU dot equals, and then we'll do paper, Okay, let me just put this here. Okay, now we will do this here. Then we'll do system dot out dot println, and then we'll do you win this round. And then we will do this here, and then we'll do user score plus with a semicolon at the end. And here we will do the else system here. We'll type else, and then we'll do the same thing here, except, well, let's just copy this, and then we'll type CPU wins this round. And then we'll do CPU score. Okay, and then that's that. And then in line 25, we'll type system.out.println user score equals double equals 3 space question mark. You win the game. And then here we'll do colon CPU wins the game. And then we'll do this. And then there we go. And that's the end of our code. Now let's select all of this and run it. Now it says rock, paper, scissors. Let's type rock. Now it says CPU wins, so the score is 1-0. Let's just keep typing rock. And it says draw. So it wins 2-0 now, so it wins that. Let's type rock again. And type it again. And then the CPU beats us. Let's try again. So let's select this code, type run as on Java application. Now it says rock, paper, scissors. Let's try to beat it this time. So now let's do rock. So it beat us again. So we actually win this round. So now it's 1-1. Let's type scissors. So now it's 2-0. And then we'll type paper. So it's actually 2-2 now. And CPU wins the game this time. So if you get free, like you can win the game, you can change the number here. And you can like change these numbers here. So like the areas where it types free, like you can type like whatever like you want to do, like whatever range. But usually I would do free because like in a regular game of rock, paper, scissors is usually best out of free. But anyways, you guys can do whatever you want with the code. So anyways, thank you guys for watching today's rock, paper, scissors lesson. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you like this video, please share this with your friends and family. And subscribe to my channel for more tutorials about coding and other stuff. Thank you guys for watching today's lesson, and I'll see you in our next lesson. Have a great day.